Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. A while ago I did a video which showed how I used Plexus as an experiment on this vehicle, where I polished the headlight on this side of the vehicle every 6 months with Plexus, and by doing that I've actually stopped the degradation of that headlight, and that was over 4 years. But however, this headlight I didn't apply the Plexus and it's all yellowed off. Well, someone from that video has commented, will Plexus work to actually restore this headlight? Now, I don't believe so, because Plexus is actually a protectant coating that is on the lens. But anyway, let's give it a go today. Let's apply some Plexus to this headlight to see if it will actually work to restore this headlight. So let's get into it. Spray that Plexus directly onto the headlight. Let it soak in for a little bit and then we'll polish it off. Now, just looking at that is quite dull still. Just compared to the other side, you can see the lens on this side looks like new. Whereas look at this one, she's still quite dull. So let's give it another go. We'll get stuck into it, we'll do another attempt. And what I might just do is put you on time lapse, because I might actually do, say, 2 or 3, 4 attempts at using the Plexus and polishing it off. So as you saw, I did 3 or 4 treatments of that Plexus to that headlight, and you can still see it's got quite a haziness to it. If you come across to this side by comparison, you know, it just looks absolutely fantastic. So I think, whilst perhaps it's a little bit better, it's a resounding no. The Plexus is not a restoration product. It's actually a protective coating to stop it yellowing in the first place. So there you go, folks. I attempted to use Plexus as a restoration product on this headlight. However, clearly, as you can see, after 4 or 5 attempts of using the Plexus, it's still dull. Perhaps it's a little bit better, but it still has not restored that headlight. So the answer is a no, folks. Plexus does not work as a restoration product on your headlights. However, if you have liked this video, do hit that like button, folks. It's truly appreciated. And in the future, if you're interested in seeing other DIY videos around the home or on vehicles, we've got the Mercedes, the Audi, the early Ford Falcon, the Mazda 3. If you're interested in any of that content, hit that subscribe button. In the future, you may just see a restoration video on how to properly restore your dulled headlight on the channel. So look out for that. But until next time, have a good evening.